Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your logo to CapCut. So if you guys are facing this problem, you are tired of every time you do the video editing in CapCut, you need to import your logo again and again. So here I have a solution for you. You just need to save your logo into your CapCut space. So here you can do it on a CapCut mobile or CapCut PC. Just click on space button here. Okay, so this is my space. Just click on materials, for example. Then after that, just upload the logo into your space. So click on the plus button, upload media, and choose your logo. Now click choose the where you want to upload and click on upload. Okay, so just like that, your logo will be saved to your space. So every time you do your editing in computer or phone, you can just find your logo in the CapCut space. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.